Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy my recipes. Today I am going to show you a yummy tea time mango cake. If you like my recipe, please hit a like button and do not forget to subscribe my channel. So let's get started. 1 cup of maida, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, half a cup of curd, half cup oil, half cup mango puree and half cup milk, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda and yellow color. So first we need to mix all the wet ingredients, then after that dry ingredients. We need to take one bowl like this. First we'll mix all the wet ingredients: curd, oil, mango puree, sugar, powdered sugar. We'll mix this. Add little milk into this. Half of the milk I'm going to add now. Little yellow color into it. Now I mixed all the wet ingredients. Now I am going to mix the dry ingredients. Maida, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda. I am going to mix all this. Sieve off of it. Keep it aside. Now you mix this in cut and fold method, this way. Now other half sieve into this. Again mix in cut and fold method. This leftover milk. See that there are no lumps into it. Mix it properly. You take cut in like this. Just grease it with oil. Dust it with flour. Place the wax paper. Pour the cake batter into this tin. Now you tap twice gently like this. Put some cashews over this. Cashew, almonds and pistas, or if you have any tutti fruttis, you can even put those tutti fruttis over this. Today this tea time mango cake I am going to bake in this vessel. In the vessel it takes 40 to 50 minutes, but for the vessel also you need to preheat for 10 minutes on the stove. This is the reused salt. This salt you can reuse. So the salt you need to put on like this. You need to place it like this. Over this you need to place the stand like this. And now close the lid and preheat for 10 minutes. So here I have preheated this for 10 minutes. Now in a low flame I am going to keep this on the stand. Close the lid. Lower the flame Now I'm going to bake it for 40 to 50 minutes. After 40 minutes you can check it out. If it is not done, again you can bake it for more 5 to 10 minutes. So let's see after 40 to 45 minutes. So let's check it out. It's been 50 minutes. I think it is done. Wow, so nice. So let's check it out. See, the toothpick is too clear, so that means cake is done. You can switch off the flame. I'm going to take this out. Let it cool for 10 minutes, then we will demold the cake. 10 minutes are done, so I'm going to demold this. Take one plate like this. Just flip this way. Yummy tea time mango cake is ready to serve. I'll cut it and show you. It's very soft. Thank you for watching my recipe. If you like my recipe, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.